Last video we have discussed about the image formation by ray diagram for convex lens. Now we will do the same for concave mirror, concave lens. Suppose this is concave lens. Position of object, position of image, size of object or size of image, and nature of image. There are only two cases. First is at infinity, when object is at infinity. Image is formed virtual erect at the focus and point sized image or very small size image. Infinity, image at focus, size of image diminished, and nature of image virtual erect. Here we can write diminished or very small. In place of diminished we can use very small also. Second, this is first case. Second case, object between infinity and optical center. This is optical center and this is infinity. Suppose object is here. Focus, ray passing through optical center, passes undeviated, the intersection is here. So small size image is formed between O and F. Position of object between infinity and F. Position of image between O and F. And size small, size smaller, nature virtual and erect. Here the image formed is in the side of the object between O and F. Image formed between O and F in the side of object. Now, before going to numerical problems on lens formula and lenses, for lenses, there are two methods to locate the image. If we want to locate the image and find the nature or size of the image exactly, we will use some formula. And before using the some formula, we have to know about the sign convention in lens cases. First is same as mirror. Object is kept left of the mirror, left of the lens. object will be kept left side. Second, all distances parallel to principal axis are measured from optical center. Third, distances to the left of optical center, to the left of optical center are negative, and to the right are positive. And fourth, upward heights are positive, and downward are negative. Means this is optical center, distance to the left, suppose this is object position, this distance will be negative. Here u is called object position, that is less than 0. And suppose image is formed in this side, then image position is also measured from optical center and taken as positive. Similarly, height of the object, if upward height is taken positive and downward height of image is taken as negative. Lens formula. (1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f). That is, v is the distance of image from optical center. Distance of image from optical center with sign, whether it is positive or negative, whether it is right side or left side. Distance of object with sign. All distances on the principal axis, parallel to principal axis, are measured from the optical center. F, focal length with sign. Magnification. Magnification M equal to HI by HO. This HI, size of image, size of object, that is equal to V by U, image distance by object distance, power of a lens. Lenses are used to bend the beam or ray of light. The property of lens is to bend. The lens which has more bending power has less focal length and more power. पावर definition first, power इसका मीनिंग, इसका फिजिकल मीनिंग क्या होता है? व्हाट इज इस मीनिंग? द डिग्री ऑफ converging or diverging is called power of a lens and is defined as reciprocal of focal length, that is power in diopter, unit of power is diopter, equal to 1 by focal length in meter. Suppose there are two lenses. This lens converges the parallel incident ray after reflection, converges at this point. This is its focus, and its focal length suppose is 6 centimeter, and another lens which converges these light rays at focus, and its focal length is 8 centimeter. So we see that this lens has more power to converge. मीन्स ये लाइट रेस को ज़्यादा बेंड कर रहा है, तो ज़्यादा जब बेंड कर रहा है तो इसका पावर ज़्यादा होगा. फोकल लेंथ, जिसका फोकल लेंथ कम होता है, द लेंस हुज फोकल लेंथ इज लेस हैज मोर पावर. सो if its power is P1 and its power is P2, so P1 is greater than P2. This is the meaning of power. Power of lens is measured by its degree of convergence or divergence of light rays. A lens has focal length minus 10 centimeter. Then to find its power in meter, that is equal to 1 by focal length, power in diopter, focal length in meter. So focal length is minus 10 centimeter, that is minus 10 by 100 meter, that is minus 1 by 10 meter. So power in diopter 1 by minus 1 by 10. Here we will not use the unit because unit is already written in bracket, that is equal to minus 10. So power equal to minus 10 diopter. Now if magnification is equal to minus 5, then minus sign of magnification gives that real and inverted image, and 5 gives that size of image, equal to 5 into size of object. Similarly for m equal to plus 5, when m equal to plus 5, this plus means virtual and erect image. That's all for this topic.